Get up now, Lin, it's 5 o'clock. It's too early, Mummy. You have your science exam today. Get up and revise your course. Okay, Mummy, I will get up in 2 minutes. Hurry up and wash your face. Meanwhile, I'll get milk for you. Okay. Did you take out your clothes last night, Nalin? Yes, I did. And your shoes, did you polish them? No, I forgot to polish the shoes. I'll do it now. Do that later. First finish your revision. Haven't you finished yet, Nalin? Yes, I have. Have you revised everything well? Yes, Mummy, I remember everything. Good, now get ready. I'll prepare breakfast for you. What is there for breakfast? Parenly and curd. I don't want parenna. What do you want, bread and butter? An omelette. Fine, so get ready fast. It is 7:30 already. I have to polish my shoes yet. Then I'll go and have a bath. I have polished your shoes. Oh, thank you, Mummy. I'll go and prepare the breakfast now. Get ready fast, Nalin. Yes, Mummy.